5 low-cost home improvements when you are looking to sell. Preparing your home for the market doesn't require a massive renovation budget to yield significant results. Often, the most impactful changes are those that enhance the perceived value and allow potential buyers to envision themselves living in the space. By focusing on high visibility areas like the entryway, walls, and lighting, you can create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere that stands out in listings. These 5 low-cost improvements are designed to maximize your return on investment while keeping your stress levels manageable. Number 1. The power of fresh paint. A fresh coat of neutral tones like soft grays, warm beiges, or greige help rooms feel larger, brighter, and more versatile for different furniture styles. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, new paint covers up scuffs, odors, and dated color choices that might distract a buyer. You should pay special attention to high-traffic areas like the hallway and living room where wear and tear are most visible. This simple DIY project provides a new home feel that resonates deeply with people during a walkthrough. Number 2. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions are everything, and the exterior of your home is the very first thing a buyer sees. You can significantly enhance your curb appeal by painting the front door a bold, welcoming color and replacing old house numbers with modern hardware. Simple landscaping tasks such as trimming overgrown bushes, adding a fresh layer of mulch, and planting seasonal flowers create an immediate sense of care. A clean, power-washed driveway and walkway further signal to buyers that the property has been well maintained. These small outdoor updates set a positive tone before the visitor even steps through the threshold. Number 5. Kitchen hardware and cabinet refreshes. While a full kitchen remodel is incredibly expensive, updating the hardware is a budget-friendly alternative that offers a high impact. Replacing dated brass or plastic handles with sleek matte black or brushed nickel pulls can modernize the entire room instantly. If your cabinets are structurally sound but look worn, a thorough cleaning or a light coat of specialized cabinet paint can work wonders. You might also consider replacing a leaky or dated faucet with a modern, high-neck model to add a touch of luxury. Since the kitchen is often the heart of the home, these small touches can be the deciding factor for many buyers. Number 4. Lighting and fixture upgrades. Lighting plays a crucial role in how a space is perceived, yet it is often overlooked by sellers. Replacing old, dusty globe lights or fluorescent fixtures with contemporary LED options can make a home feel decades newer. Ensure that every room is well lit by using bulbs with a consistent color temperature, preferably a warm white to avoid a clinical feeling. You should also take the time to replace any cracked or yellowed light switch plates with clean white covers for a polished look. Good lighting highlights your home's best features and prevents any corner from feeling dark or neglected. Number 5. Deep cleaning and decluttering. The most cost-effective improvement of all is a rigorous deep clean and a strategic decluttering session. Removing personal items, excess furniture, and knickknacks makes rooms appear more spacious and allows the architecture to shine. You should focus on making windows sparkle to let in maximum natural light and ensuring that carpets are steam cleaned to remove any lingering scents. A truly clean home suggests to the buyer that there are no hidden maintenance issues lurking beneath the surface. By creating a blank canvas, you make it much easier for a buyer to mentally place their own belongings in the space. For more informative videos on real estate, investments, we welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.